In this video, we are going to talk about what is Web 3.0. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Imagine a new kind of internet where all the content you consume is more personalized to you than ever before and truly understands everything you say, whether it be through text, voice, or other media. The web is about to enter a new stage of its evolution. Early adopters have dubbed it Web 3.0. Here's the description of what is Web 3.0. Let's start. Web 3.0 applications. With blockchain at its core, Web 3.0 makes it possible for an expanding range of new apps and services, such as the following. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are tokens that are individually unique and are kept in a blockchain with a cryptographic hash. Decentralized blockchain technology is being utilized as the foundation for decentralized finance, DeFi, a new use case for Web 3.0 that allows for the provision of financial services beyond the constraints of a conventional centralized banking infrastructure. A new universe of money that strives to be distinct from the traditional world of fiat cash is being created through Web 3.0 apps like cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Key Web 3.0 features. The design of Web 3.0 may take into account ubiquitous characteristics, semantic web, and AI. The rationale for employing AI is to give people faster access to more accurate data. An AI-powered website should be able to sort through the data and present the information it believes a particular user will find useful. Since the results are websites that users have voted on, social bookmarking as a search engine can produce better results than Google. These outcomes, however, are equally subject to human manipulation. AI might be used to distinguish between authentic and fake results, providing outcomes akin to social media and social bookmarking but without negative feedback. Virtual assistants, a component that is already becoming popular as an aspect integrated into a device or through third-party apps, will also be introduced by an artificially intelligent web. Web 3.0 technologies provide self-governance. In the blockchain and Web 3.0 communities, the idea of a decentralized autonomous organization is an emerging form of governance, DAO. With a DAO, Web 3.0 technologies and communities offer a type of self-governance in an effort to move away from centralized control over platform operations. More so than with fiat money, Web 3.0 also functions fundamentally with cryptocurrencies. The use of cryptocurrencies, which are all constructed and enabled on top of blockchain technology, enables finance and the use of a decentralized form of payment throughout Web 3.0. The IPv4 addressing space was extensively used to create both Web 1.0 and Web 2.0. There is a need for more internet addresses in Web 3.0 as a result of the web's tremendous growth over the years, which is what IPv6 offers. How does Web 3.0 work? The Hypertext Markup Language, HTML, standard governs the design and delivery of web pages with Web 1.0 and Web 2.0 technologies. With Web 3.0, HTML will still be a core layer, but how it relates to data sources and where those data sources are located may differ from past web generations. In the Web 2.0 age, the majority of websites and almost all applications rely on some kind of centralized database to deliver data and support functionality. With Web 3.0, applications and services employ a decentralized blockchain in place of a centralized database. The fundamental notion behind blockchain is that there is a type of distributed consensus rather than an arbitrary central authority. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0, the upcoming third generation of the Internet, will enable websites and apps to process information in a clever, human-like manner with technologies like machine learning, ML, big data, decentralized ledger technology, DLT, etc. Tim Berners-Lee, the creator of the World Wide Web, first referred to Web 3.0 as the Semantic Web. Its goal was to create a more independent, intelligent, and open Internet. The definition of Web 3.0 can be broadened to include the following. Data would be connected in a decentralized manner, which would be a significant improvement over our present Internet generation. Web 2.0, in which data is primarily held in centralized repositories. Users and machines will be able to communicate with data as well. Programs must be able to comprehend information theoretically and culturally for this to happen, though. With this in mind, the semantic web and artificial intelligence are the two pillars of Web 3.0. AI. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.